Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Final Cut Pro X and choosing the library and event where your media lives. Import your clips and check the info inspector so you know each clip's native frame rate. This matters for motion and audio sync later. Create a new project now, but don't change its settings yet. Final Cut often matches camera media automatically. Once done, select the new project in the browser so you can access the Modify Project settings in the next step. You need to actively change the project frame rate via Modify settings. Select the project in the browser and open Project Properties, File Project Properties, or Command-J. Click Modify settings to expose frame rate and resolution. Choose the desired frame rate. For cinematic motion, pick 24. For broadcast, choose 25 or 30. For smooth action, pick 60, and confirm. Final Cut will conform clips to that rate. Make sure to watch how motion and audio behave, because some clips may show judder or require retiming. You finish by rendering the timeline and playing the sequence full screen to inspect motion and audio. If you see judder or stutter, try using optical flow in the retiming menu or slow/retime clips to blend frames. This fixes most frame rate conversions. If audio drifts or drops, relink or transcode the affected media to an intermediate codec such as ProRes and replace the clip in the timeline. Make sure to save a duplicate project before major changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.